Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these beautiful earrings. It's a very easy project, great for beginners. So let's get started. For this project I use cable 8 from Mondial. This yarn is 100% Maco Egypt cotton. 1.75 millimeters hook. Of course, you will need a earrings hook and 2 little beads and a card like this for tassels. Okay, this is one of the flowers. As you can see, this is a very little flower. So now for the tutorial I will work with a bigger yarn and hook. So first we do a magic ring. Now chain 3 and this count as the first double crochet, then we do 2 double crochets into the ring. Now chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then we do another set of 3 double crochets into the ring. Chain 6, then we do another set of 3 double crochets once again, and 3, chain 6, and continue this sequence 3 more times. Okay, now we pull the tail, then 1 slip stitch in the 3rd chain to complete this first round. And now we have 6 sets of 3 double crochets. And now we are going to work into each of these spaces. So we move directly into the first space using a slip stitch. And now we do 1 single crochet. Then we do 5 half double crochets. Now we do a picot. To make a picot, chain 3 and join with a slip stitch into the first chain. Then we do 4 half double crochet into the space. Three and 4, then we do 1 single crochet to complete this first petal. And now we move directly into the next space where we do the same, so 1 single crochet, 5 half double crochets. We do a picot, so chain 3, and join with a slip stitch into the first chain. Then we do 4 half double crochets. And we do 1 single crochet to complete the second petal, and continue to do this until the end of this round. Okay, now we do a slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete our flower. Okay, all we have to do now is to create 2 flowers with a smaller hook and create 2 small flowers like these 2. Before proceeding with the tail inside the flower with a needle. Okay, now we are going to create the tassels using a card like this. So cut a little piece of yarn like this, then wrap yarn around the short side of the card 30 times. Now tie a length of yarn on the top with a couple of knots. And now cut the bottom loops of the wrapped yarn and remove the card. And now we are ready to insert the beads using a needle and make a couple of knots to tie. Then sew the tassel on the flower using a needle. Okay, now we are ready to insert the earring hook using a little ring to join the earring hook on the flower. And now do the same for the other flower. And that's it. The Isabelle earrings are now complete. If you make your Isabelle earrings, remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook and put the hashtag Orecchini So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!